After designing and finalizing my channel's logo, I set off to the store to bring it into reality. Someone said, and I quote, "You pray for rain, you gotta deal with the mud too." But my situation was different. Since it was raining, I tried my best to record my voice while recording video. However, sometimes few things backfire. Something that sort happened. I attempted to record my voice to my phone using a lap mic, but for some reason it mostly captured sounds around me, but my voice. Anyways, thanks to the voiceover I have as an alternate, which still allows me to express my thoughts and intentions. The material for the logo I chose was radium, which does not reflect light intensely but moderately. Since this is all about my channel and advertising it, I was very picky about the work getting done. Let me quickly show you all how I designed the logo. Alright guys, so as you can see, I have already designed my logo. I just quickly want to show you how I have actually designed this. So I imagined the places I normally visit. Most of the times I will be trekking and all, as you guys have seen in most of my videos about it. So I have given importance to mountains and hills. So I wanted them to be part of my logo. So now I will quickly show you how I have designed the mountains first. So this is a rough idea of what I have come up with, but I'll just show you how I designed them. So I have went into shapes and selected the free form of the line, and then I started off just drawing a few lines, the outline of how a mountain or a hill will be. So pretty basic stuff here, not a hi-fi kind of thing. I just outlined the hills. So here I have outlined the mountains, and I'm going to draw some slopes on it right now. Okay, so as you guys can see, I have outlined the mountains here. Now all I have to do is change the color and increase its thickness. So for that I go into the shape format here, and then shape outline, and go into the weight and increase the the line thickness as per my imagination, and I change its color to black, just like that. And I follow the similar pattern for the other lines here, but I wouldn't be increasing the thickness as much as the the first one, because it will give a true look to this logo. So there you go, I have outlined the mountains here. Now I'm going to group this to one image, so I can just move it around as one picture. Okay, I'm going to insert a text box here. Just type the name of my channel. Increase the font size, and I choose the style to this Bernard MT condensed. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing for this. So I slightly wanted this text to be a little smaller than this the rest of the text, so I'm going to align them. Let me decrease this a bit. Now I'm going to bring these mountains and try to blend them. Okay, this is pretty much it. This is how I have designed the logo. After this, I decided to visit King Koti because the stores there have machines which run on latest technology. So I felt it was the place worth traveling to. I finally found a store after carefully searching around and gave the logo to Susanth and explained what my needs were. He then quickly started working on it and cut the logo. Ooh, that looks nice. Thank you for tuning into my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care.